Students, some bits based on chemical reactions regarding oxidizing and reducing agent. First one, which of the following is not a reducing agent? Which of the following is not a reducing agent? Here, given options are related to the nitrogen compounds. So nitrogen belongs to which group? Nitrogen belongs to which group? 50A group. So regarding 50A group elements, lowest possible oxidation number is what? -3. Highest possible oxidation number is +5. So general oxidation states for the fifth group elements are what? -3, +3 and +5. Whatever nitrogen compounds with +5 oxidation state only participate in reduction acts as oxidizing agent. Nitrogen compounds exhibiting -3 only undergoes oxidation, acts as reducing agent, whereas intermediate oxidation state can participate in oxidation as well as reduction, can act as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Okay, let us check the options whatever given. NaNO2. In NaNO2, nitrogen oxidation number is +3. In NaNO3, nitrogen oxidation number is +5. In NaNO2, HNO2, nitrogen oxidation number is +3. Here N2O3 also nitrogen oxidation number is +3. So here first option, third option, fourth option, intermediate oxidation state, they can exhibit both. They can involve in oxidation as well as reduction and can act as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Whereas NaNO3, nitrogen exhibiting +5 oxidation state only chance for undergoing reduction, only acts as oxidizing agent. So this one is not going to act as reducing agent. Okay, and see this question. Identify the disproportion reaction. Identify the disproportionation reaction. In any chemical reaction, same element participate in oxidation and reduction, hence it is said to be disproportionation reaction. Here carbon oxidation number is -4. Here carbon oxidation number is +4. So only participated in oxidation. Here carbon oxidation number is what? -4. Here carbon oxidation number is +4. Here fluorine oxidation number is 0. Here -1. Here also -1. See this option. Here nitrogen oxidation number is +4. You should able to calculate in fast way. Here NO2 nitrogen oxidation number is +3. Here nitrogen oxidation number is +5. Now check the nitrogen oxidation number from left to right. +4 converted to +3 nothing but reduction, and +4 converting into +5 nothing but oxidation. In any chemical reaction, same element participate in oxidation and reduction, hence it is said to be disproportionation reaction. And see this question. In the following reaction, this is the white phosphorus, general question. What happens when NaOH or KOH react with white phosphorus? Phosphine gas is evolved. This is one bit. Here phosphorus oxidation number is 0. Here phosphorus oxidation number is +1. Here phosphorus oxidation number is -3. So now simply you can find 0 converted to +1 nothing but oxidation, and 0 converted to -3 nothing but reduction. So in this reaction, phosphorus first option only oxidized, second option only reduced, and phosphorus is both oxidized as well as reduced. The answer is what? 0 converted to +1 is oxidation, 0 converted to -3 is reduction. This is also example for disproportionation reaction. In this reaction, phosphorus involved in both oxidation as well as reduction. Now see this question. The compound that can work both as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Here's of given option sulfur. Here sulfur trioxide, sulfur oxidation number is +6. No doubt the sulfur is highest oxidation number is +6. Only chance for undergoing reduction. Only acts as oxidizing agent. Here chlorine oxidation number is +7. Chlorine belongs to 7th group. It only undergoes reduction. Acts as only oxidizing agent. Here sulfur oxidation number is +4. So sulfur highest oxidation number is +6. Lowest oxidation number is -2. So this can participate both oxidizing as well as reducing agent. The correct answer is this one. And coming to the fourth option, in H2S sulfur oxidation number is -2. This only participate in oxidation, acts as only reducing agent. Now, which of the following reaction involved in oxidation and reduction? Nothing but redox reaction. Here sodium +1, here also +1, bromine -1, -1, chlorine -1, -1. So there is no change of any element oxidation number. Here hydrogen +1, bromine -1, Ag +1, nitrogen +5, oxygen -2, +1, -1, +1, +5, -2. So all the element oxidation numbers are almost the same. There is no change. Here check the reaction 0, 0, +1, -1. You can find hydrogen converted to 0 to +1, bromine converted to 0 to -1. The correct answer is this one. So here also you can calculate +1, -2, +1, +1, +6, -2, +1, +6, -2, +1, -2. You can calculate this much of speed in oxidation number. So here option is what? H2 plus Br2 gives us to 2HBr is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.